Okay, here we have ThinkPad 689 BT. How to start play it as Android. Here we have some password of the system. Thanks to Renigo. What we need is password 2606. So here in the Android in the thinkcar 689, you click on setting, then you need to go to about device info, product model, long press or couple time like that, then require your password 2606. Okay. What we going to do here in the security screen lock and screen lock, we select switch, then we're going back. After that you need to go to system like that, then advanced, then multiple user, you need to enable it, and then you need to active added user from the lock screen. You go into add user, you select user, here what you have. Okay, set up now, not now. You click on the name, here we have it. Then if you going back to the system and the default screen, look at the device, open the device now, click here, you have the new user if you see it. Switch to new user, initialize, you have the Android file manager, okay, whatever you want. But now we need to find out. Okay, so that's all to today. Now we need to figure out how do we go back to home screen, because the sweeping is not working. So after that, after we go to setting, we need to go to system right there, and gas also here. Then you need to click in the, you will have it in the middle, you need to move it to high, then you will find it at work as usual. And here Android system, what we need, Chrome, here it's Chrome. That's all for today, thanks you. Okay, so what I had to close it up, but you're going to have other way. If you, let me switch it back to our user. We're here in our user, So to go back, maybe the easy way right now, because the device is refused to lock the screen, we do not have other option. Then go to setting and system. Yes, system. Advanced multiple user at the right corner. Remove a new user from that device. Then you need to click. You going to lose all your data. Click yes, then that's will turn you back, or you should to force it to turn off by long click on the power button right here. Then that will keep you in the old interface like that.